Hi, I'm Adam Foster, and I want to thank you for getting the KG Credit Restoration uh, Protection Plan. While you're waiting to get started, I just want to go over a few things with you that I've done personally that helped me, and I hope that they'll help you. Results may vary because depending on your credit history and your buying, but I just want to give you an example. Hey, I was a person who used it not even 6, 7 months ago. In May, I bought a car that cost me about $16,000. At the time, I had a 538 credit score. So let's just go over what I paid for this car. Okay, I paid about 16 grand for it, and my current payment for 72 months was $422. My annual percentage rate is 25.37 annual percentage rate. Now, because I got my credit score to a 667 now, okay, as of December 11th, I'm getting offers to refinance at a lower interest rate, which will bring my payment down, interest rate of 77.59, which brings my payment down from 422 to 271. Now, you might say, well, how is that possible? Well, let's show details, shall we? Now, with my current annual percentage rate being 25.37%, I could get it lowered now with one of the finance banks to 7.59. That's the offer they're making me. That's a difference of 17.78%. What is that in real money though? Well, right now, my interest rate being 2.37, I'm paying in total interest in 72 months, $14,883. Now, why am I paying that much? Because my credit score was 538. I had no choice. So I worked on my credit score for the last 6 months. I've been working on my credit score through KG Credit Restoration. Now, the interest that I'm being offered now at 7.59 turns out to be $3,876. That's a difference of $11,007. $11,006. So I'm saving $11,000 in 6 months on the car that I bought. Okay? So that's just one way that I've learned to use this credit restoration to save me money on purchases that I've made or purchases that I've financed. Another way, you say, well, what was the biggest change in your credit score? Well, based on Equifax data, credit changes. My current score is 667 as of December 11th. My last dramatic change was 26 points. And we found one change to your Equifax credit report. And what it was child support. That's right. State of Washington child support account was removed. Now, results may vary depending on your payment history and depending on what you're doing. But as you can see here, Equifax reported they removed child support, and child support alone was a 26-point jump. These are real numbers, people. So, like I said, I want to thank you for taking the steps on getting your credit right, especially in this economy. The year 2020 is coming up. That's the year of clear sight, hindsight, and clear vision. If you know better, then you can do better. I'm Adam Foster for KG Credit Restoration. I want to thank you again. Dial the number, step 2, after listening to me, it would be dial the number, contact us so we can verify your information and we can get started, so our credit attorneys can get started on your credit restoration right away. Thank you, and let's get that credit restored.